Hi, welcome to Xtreme Marimbas. And do you know how to rumble? Well, if you don't, today you've come to the right place because I'm going to teach you how to rumble on a marimba. Let's go. So today I'm going to teach you how to rumble. Okay, so what I did over there was just an example of how I practice rumbling. So the way I do it is I start with the hand I write with, which is this hand. Okay, and yes, that is this hand. So what you're going to do is you're going to go like this. And then you're going to add your left hand. And go faster. Faster. There we go. So that is how I practice, okay? Now it's a lot easier to, once you get the hang of rumbling, it's just to start fast. So. Very good. So now what I recommend is you pick some letters. It doesn't have to be any sequence, but you just start A, C, D, or F. So A, C, D, F, E, whatever. So. To practice that is what I do is when I rumble I count 1, 2, 3, 4, then I switch 1, 2, 3, 4, then I switch. So watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the end there, I was just messing around a bit, but you heard what it did. So while I was rumbling, I was counting 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I switched. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play a game down here. I'm going to rumble. I'm going to count 4 times. I'm going to go. All the letters we're going to use is A, C, and E. Okay. So you're going to go A, C, E, C, A. So listen to my count. Once I count 4, then we switch. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think, and yes. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you found it very useful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content, let me know what you think, and let me know what other tutorials of songs you would like to learn. Let me know what you think, and have a lovely day!